Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can exclude your IP address or multiple IP addresses in Google Analytics. So why do people normally do that? It's normally just that you don't want to track your own incoming traffic from your own browser or the clicks that are made from your employees. You don't want to track them as an actual traffic. So how do you exclude such traffic? So in order to exclude such traffic, just log on to your Google Analytics account. So once you're in your home page, so the left pane towards the bottom, you'll find an option admin. Just click on the admin button here. So here you'll be taken to the admin console where you'll have these three options, account, property and the view. So select the right account for which you want to exclude the IP in case you have multiple accounts, of course. So in the drop down you can select your active account, and in order to exclude anything, here under the account you have the option to put filters. So click on all filters. So once you do that, you'll find this tab. So since I have already excluded a couple of filters, so you'll find the existing ones here. So if you're doing it for the first time, this will be an empty pane. So in order to exclude your IP address here, just click on add filter option here. So here you'll find this pane with various information it says. First one is the name of the filter. So give it any name as per your requirement. I'm giving it test for now. So the second one is a filter type. Now since you want to exclude your IP address, keep it as predefined. Select a filter type. So since you want to exclude, click on exclude. Second one is select a source or destination. So here you have the option to exclude your ISP domain, IP address, subdirectories or hostname. So since you want to exclude your IP address, click on traffic from the IP addresses. Now select an expression. Now if you want to exclude a single IP address, just click on expression that are equal to. Or if you have multiple IP addresses which follow a similar pattern except for the last two numbers, you can select the others like the ones that begin with, end with, or contain as per your requirement. So in this case, I'm selecting the option that's equal to and just provide the IP address here. Now, in case you're not sure how to fetch your IP address, it's a pretty simple thing. Just go into Google and type my IP address. So you can type it here, my IP address, and Google will automatically fetch it for you. So all you got to do is copy this IP address onto your Google Analytics account. So once you have it here, in the below field, you'll find this option to apply filters to views. Now, if you have already created your entire view, you'll have all your views available here. Now, in my account, I have a couple of views. So select a view for which you want to exclude the IP address from. For example, if you don't want to use this in this view, digital marketing and travel. So just select that IP, select that view and click on add. So the selected view is add right now. So once you do that, all you got to do is save it, click on save. So once you save it, you'll find it here. So unless you select a view, you'll not find this one option here. So if you're not selecting a view, this will be showing as 0, which means that though you have created a filter, this filter is not applicable to any view. So it's of no use unless you add it to a view. So that's how you exclude an IP address. So if you want to exclude multiple IP addresses, just do the same thing, add filter, keep on adding to IP addresses that you want to exclude and give them separate names. So that's it guys. I mean, that's a simple process of how you can exclude your IP address or your employee's IP addresses from Google Analytics.